Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? What's going on this time? You can see here the last 3 days, Stellar XLM is unbelievable change occurring. You can see here 8.77% they will get a profit now. So first of all, congratulations all of you, my brothers. This time Stellar XLM will get a very good profit now, and it's really huge jump, my friend. You can see here the price is pumps up. You can see here 8.77%. The price absolutely very huge jump. You can see 0.38 USD dollar, but the current price is 0.36 USD dollar. There is not big difference in the prices, my friend, and I hope again they will hit this huge target. But definitely, my friend, this is just all the, you can see a temporary firm. Absolutely, sometimes they were fails down, so this is does not mean to you are starting selling. So therefore I will notify you, my friend, to just see, my friend, the short fails. Absolutely, after a short fail they will also take a very huge jump now. So that's clear, my friends, to upcoming time. Absolutely, my friends, the Stellar XLM price will pumping up, and when a price will pumping up, so definitely the holder are starting holding, the holder are stop selling, and my friend, they are starting more and more investment. So therefore I will notify you to please hold on to and starting selling. See you next time, holder. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.